Hello everyone. Today we are going to study a problem of intersection of solids. Up till now we have studied different problems like prism intersecting prism, then cylinder intersecting cylinder, then prism intersecting cylinder. Now in this problem we'll study cylinder intersecting cone. Means cone is standing on ground floor and cylinder is penetrating horizontally. The problem statement is a vertical cone base diameter 75 mm and axis 100 mm. It's completely penetrated by a cylinder of 45 mm diameter. The axis of cylinder is parallel to HP and VP and intersects axis of cone at a point 28 mm above the base. Draw the projections showing curve of intersection. This is the problem statement. In this problem, what is given? A standing cone is given having diameter 75 mm and axis, or we can say height 100 mm. It is penetrated by a cylinder 45 mm diameter. So we have to draw the curves of intersection. Let us see the solution. First of all, draw XY line. This is the XY line which is faint. Then draw the top view in circle below the XY line. Circular top view of cone is given and give the naming A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H likewise. Later on, take projections from this point towards the XY line and make one complete triangle, because this is the front view of cone. In the same way, we have to draw the side view of cone. In side view also, cone will appear as a triangle. Now diameter is given for cone and height is also given, height is 100 mm. In exam, the diameter may varies, the dimensions may vary. Height here 100 mm in this problem statement, in examination maybe 80 mm, maybe 110 mm, whatever may be, you have to draw. Now cylinder is penetrating, it means that inside view the base portion of cylinder clearly shown. So inside view we have drawn here a circle and we have given the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 like this way up to the 8, and take projections from side view circle into the front view and we will get one rectangle, that is front view of horizontal cylinder. Just I have highlighted this with the help of a red line. So this is the first step. Now in second step, take the projections from side view to the top view and make one more rectangle in top view, which is the top view of cylinder. Just consider the front view, top view and side view of cone and cylinder we have drawn. Just make sure that where to draw faint lines and where to draw dark lines. Now see, we have to plot the points. Point number 1 is intersecting over here, and point number 1 can be extended over here. I have highlighted just with the help of a red line. The similar way, point number 2 is over here. Here one small changes will find, and the changes are point number 7 and point number 8. All these things which are not on the generator, so extra generator can be drawn for point number 7 and point number 3. Is it? Point number 1, how to plot this point? This point is on line O double dash and A double dash, E double dash inside. So in front view also, this point number 1 will be on the line O dash and A dash. O dash and A dash, this is the line. So we have plotted point number 1 over here, and E dash is also here. So we have plotted the point 1 over here. In the same way, here inside view, 2 point is on B dash, B double dash and D double dash line. So in front view, we'll get this point on B dash and D dash. Okay. Now, what I was telling, this point number 7 and point number 3 inside view, we have to draw one extra generator. Is it? And take projections of these points in the top view, and again from top view we have to take these projections in the front view. So mark one extra generator, join it with the help of O dash point. So these extra generator is marked with the help of blue colored line in front view, top view and side view. So, in the next step, mark these point number 3 and 7 from the side view. Take the projections and mark it on the front view. Likewise, you have to mark point number 4 and 5 on the respective generator. You have to repeat the same procedure for point number 4 and 5, which we have did for point number 1 and 2, isn't it? Just you have to match the projections, you have to match the points, you have to match the lines. Now, whatever the point you got, just make a curve on this point number 1, 2, 3, 4 in front view. So we'll get such type of curve. which already highlighted with the help of pink color line. So this is the curve of intersection in front view. Now we have to draw the curve of intersection in top view also. So before marking it, just darken the part of cone over here and take projections from point 1, from point 2, point number 3, point number 4 in the top view, and point number 5. Same you have to repeat for the right hand side points, point number 1 to the point number 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5, like this way. So whatever the points will get in the top view, with the help of these points, just join all these points in a top view with the help of French curve. So you will get the shape like this. This is our solution for the problem of cone is standing and cylinder is intersecting. So dimensions may vary, but in your problem statement, they have given you a cone is standing on a ground floor and horizontal cylinder is penetrating to the cone. What will be the curve of intersection? So now in front of your side, whatever the slide which is in front of you, in this slide we have drawn the curves of intersection. So just join all this curve, make sure that the visible portion should be dark and invisible portion should be dotted, and projections line are faint. So this is the solution for cone is standing on ground floor and cylinder is intersecting. Thank you. Thank you.